Picture this. Their heart races, mind spinning, unable to shake you from their thoughts. These 7 dark psychology tricks are your secret weapons. Dangerous, seductive, and insanely effective. Ready to dive into the shadows? Let's go! 1. Psychological pause. Vanish like a ghost and drive them wild. Want them to lose sleep over you? Disappear without a trace. This pause is a blade that cuts deep, leaving them craving your return. The mind game. The brain hates voids. When you vanish, cortisol spikes and they spiral. Where are they? Did I mess up? Imagine them staring at their phone in a dim room, your absence haunting them. How? After a fiery moment, ghost for 3 to 5 days. Reappear casually. Hey, been swamped, you good? Example. Post-date silence. She replays every word, aching for your voice. Danger. Too long and you'll shatter trust. It's poison. Dose it carefully. Can you vanish and make them chase you? But wait, the next trick is pure scarcity magic. 2. Scarcity Rule. Be rare, be gold. Want to be their ultimate prize? Become a phantom, rare and untouchable. People crave what slips through their fingers. The mind game. Scarcity triggers dopamine. The brain screams, I might lose this! Picture a single ruby in a sea of sand. Everyone wants it. That's you. How? Delay replies by a day. Skip a meetup. Caught up this week, let's try next. Example. A celebrity pops up once a year. Fans go feral with longing. Danger, too scarce and you're forgotten. Balance is key. Ready to be the treasure they hunt? Now let's ignite their heart with a roller coaster. 3. Love triggers. Swing their emotions like a storm. Want their heart to burn for you? Create emotional chaos. Hot then cold, unfinished moments, and the perfect listener trap. The mind game. Adrenaline from highs, dopamine from lows. The Zeigarnik effect, unfinished business, locks you in their mind. Listening intently, then pulling back is like yanking a mirror from their soul. Picture a stormy sea, waves crashing. You're the lightning they can't escape. How? Be passionate today, icy tomorrow. Cut off a story. I'll finish later. Listen deeply, then vanish. Example. You leave a date mid-spark. They lie awake, replaying your touch. Danger. This is a drug. Addiction can break them. Ever felt the pull of someone's unfinished story? But silence. Silence is a weapon sharper than words. 4. Silence as a weapon. Quiet that screams in their soul, want to haunt their mind? Shut up? Silence is a dark blade, slicing through their thoughts with dread and desire. The mind game. The brain fills silence with projections, fear, guilt, curiosity. It's a void pulling them in. Imagine a quiet room, their heartbeat racing, your silence echoing like a ghost. How? Pause mid-argument. Stay mute post-fight. Hint at a secret. Maybe I'll tell you someday. Example. A boss stares silently after your pitch. You crave their verdict. Danger. Too much silence buries bonds. Don't overplay. Can you wield silence until they crack? Now, guilt. A subtle poison that pulls them back. 5. Guilt game. A sting that makes them beg for you. Want them crawling back, desperate to please? Plant guilt like a needle in their heart, soft but sharp. The mind game. Guilt spikes cortisol, pushing them to fix it. It's a chain binding them to you. Picture them at a dark altar, whispering apologies to your shadow. How? Drop. Thought you'd call. Or, it's fine, I'm used to it. Example. Friends late? Waited in the rain, but no biggie. They'll show up early next time, aching for your smile. Danger. Overdose on guilt, and you're the villain. Will you sting them to make them yearn? Next, control their mind like a puppet master. 6. Attention manipulation. Steer their thoughts like a storm. Want their world to orbit you. Hijack their focus, make them see only you. The mind game. Attention is a spotlight. Shine it on joy, and they tie you to happiness. A hint of mystery hooks their neurons. Picture a hurricane, you're the calm eye pulling them in. How? Remind. Remember that night we laughed? Redirect. Let's talk about something better. Drop a secret hint. Example teased. I've got a story. They dream of you, obsessed. Danger. It's hypnosis, overdo it and trust shatters. Can you trap their mind in your orbit? And finally become untouchable, a god they can't resist. 7. Psychological armor. Be the rock they can't crack. Want them obsessed with breaking you? Stay unshaken, a fortress in their storm. The mind game. Emotions betray, stoicism intrigues. Their brain hunts your reaction like a trophy. Picture waves crashing on a cliff. They reach for your stillness. How? Shrug it, jabs. Interesting. Post-breakup, no tears, just calm. Example. X expects a meltdown, you're stone. They drown in longing for your soul. Danger. Ice can freeze out those you love. Can you be the rock they ache to shatter? These 7 tricks are a dark arsenal to hook their hearts. Use them to spark, not burn. Which will you test first? Drop it in the comments, hit subscribe, and brace for the next secret.